'Twas Mozart.
Hey guys, Ryan here at Carven Exhaust. Welcome to Carven. Alright guys, so on today's segment we're going to be covering the Subaru, kind of going over the kit, a brief review, a little install tips, hints, tricks, whatever you want to call them, and basically why we put as much effort and design into making the kit as we did, kind of what makes Carven Exhaust Carven Exhaust. So starting from the construction, everything here in-house is made by hand. 100%. It's one of the things we take pride in here at Carven. Everything's going to be 304 stainless steel from front to back. That includes the flange. We go ahead and supply the hardware, the gaskets, and everything that you'll need. And all this is designed to do is slip over the pre-existing piece up to this catalytic converter here. Whether you're stock or you have an aftermarket setup, our kit should have no problem mounting up, and fitment shouldn't be an issue. Coming down, you can see that we pitched up the pipe as much as possible. The reasoning behind that, or the theory behind that, was that, you know, a lot of the Subaru owners and guys want to be static, low, bagged, whatever, as low as possible. Well, to help combat the scraping or whatever that you typically hear, instead of having the flex pipe up front, we moved it towards the rear, i.e. giving us a much more snug, tight fit, closer to the body, less dragging. Go as low as you want. You'll have one set of clamps back here to mount the, what we call the S-pipe, and all this is going to do is kick it around the rear diff. You'll have one bolt here, and 2 bolts at the front. And that's the complete kit. Alright, so moving into the actual muffler section of this kit. This muffler is not a universal muffler that you can just pick up from anywhere. We are indeed and put some real research into waking this FA20 platform up. It's kind of what was designed to the car because it is such a notoriously quiet platform. So there's no fiberglass, there's no exhaust packing. It's as free flow as it gets, but it still uses a proprietary design to Carven Exhaust that allows it to provide enough back pressure and still give plenty of performance. And then last but not least, with the sale of every kit that leaves Carven Exhaust, it will have a limited edition toe strap. We supply the hardware, and there's actually already a mounting point whenever you take off your pre-existing OEM exhaust that you can hang this from.